Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to capture system activity with Process Monitor step by step. A Process Monitor is a powerful Microsoft Sysinternals tool that records file system activity, registry access, process events, and thread activity in real time, making it an excellent tool for troubleshooting Windows and application issues. So let's get started. First, open Process Monitor on your Windows computer. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Yes to continue. The first time you launch the application, accept the license agreement, and Process Monitor will immediately begin capturing live system events. Next, if you only want to record a specific task, click the Capture button on the toolbar to pause event collection while you prepare. You can also clear the current events using the Clear Display option to start with a clean log. This makes it much easier to analyze only the activity you're interested in. Now click the Capture button again to begin recording. Perform the task you want to monitor, such as opening an application, copying a file, installing software, or reproducing an error. Process Monitor will record every relevant event, including file operations, registry changes, process activity, and other system actions. Once you've completed the task, click the Capture button again to stop recording. Review the captured events, and if necessary, apply filters to focus on a specific process, operation, or file path. Finally, save the captured log if you want to review it later or share it with someone helping you troubleshoot the issue. And that's it. You now know how to capture system activity with Process Monitor and use the recorded data to diagnose Windows and application problems more effectively. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next